So how to make 100,000 naira per month with your digital products. Now I'm going to be talking about digital products and how you'll be able to create it and sell it so that you can be making up to 100,000 naira every single month. Now you may be asking yourself, why digital products? One of the things I so much love about digital products is that you can create it once and resell it over and over and over again. Your own job is to adjust it and also update it for your upcoming students or for your new ones. If there's any tool that is coming in, as AI is making wave now, you can input it inside of your own product and update your students every single month or every single year, depending on the kind of products that you are selling. So today we are going to be talking how you can be able to create your own digital products and then sell to your customers, all right, or your audience, or anybody that comes into your page and like whatever you are doing, then you offer them your digital product. Now, what is digital product? This should be another question that most of you will be asking, right? Now, digital products are really anything that is digital. As long as it's a product that comes online, it is a digital product. Now, we talk about things like ebook, we talk about things like online courses, trainings, webinar, and templates, meal plans, anything at all that is digital, then you can productize it and then sell to your audience. Now, there are so many steps involved in creating a digital product and selling it and making at least 100,000 naira every single month. So make sure you watch this video all the way to the end. And if you're just coming across my YouTube channel, hi, my name is Ifunaya Nwagwe, and here we talk about business, finance, marketing, and how to use artificial intelligence to improve in your business. So today we're going to be talking about how to create your own digital product so that you can make some money. Okay, here we talk about money, here we talk about making money every single day, every single hour. We are talking about daily bank alert. All right, daily bank alert. Now, the first thing you need to know is before you start selling any product online, you need to identify your audience. Know your audience. Now, I normally call those people my people because they are the ones that are going to be buying whatever you are giving to them. They are going to be buying whatever you are offering to them. So you need to understand them. Whatever product that you are selling, first of all, you need to understand who you are serving. You cannot be serving everybody. As long as you are online, in fact, even if you are not online, if you have a business that you run offline, there are people who need that your product. Not your product is not for everybody. Okay, so it is still the same thing when it comes to digital products. Your digital products require some certain amount of people who are going to be needing it. So who are those your audience? This is what you need to ask yourself. Now, maybe your product is for small business owners who want to grow their income or who wants to build impact and influence in the online space. Your product may be about teaching AI, how to use AI to improve in your skills. Like I do, I have a 14 days intensive training called AI Accelerator Bootcamp. So that one is my own digital product. Okay, so I understand that my audience are intending digital entrepreneurs. So when it comes to knowing your audience, you need to first of all understand your product and who those products are going to serve. Like if you are a tailor, you get to understand that those people who need to become fashion designers are the people who are going to be buying your products or your courses or your ebook or anything at all that you are offering. Okay, so first of all, you get to understand your customers, you get to understand your audience. Okay, if you understand these people, who are they, where do they thrive, in fact, which social media do they use, how do they live their lifestyle? If you understand each and every one of these, then you'll be able to focus on them and then market to them effectively. Okay, so that's for knowing your audience. Remember, that is the first one. And then the second one is to choose your product type. Okay, your product type. Now, when I talk about product type, I mean what kind of product how do you want to productize that your digital product? Like how do you want to bring that product to life? Now, a lot of people go for ebook. A lot of people go for ebooks. Now, when I talk about ebook, it is simply writing a book. okay, writing a book, but now the book is not coming physical. You have to project it online. Most people use tools like Google Docs and even Canva to make ebooks for themselves. And another one is online courses. Online courses. Now I'm going to be calling it OC. Online courses. Online courses is you making a video training of whatever you are offering, and then you schedule them for your students to learn. Another one is webinar or training. Webinar or training. Okay, please don't mind my writing. Webinars or training. This is also a way to productize your knowledge or productize whatever you want to sell on the online space. Okay, and I said webinar and training. And the last one I have there is meal plan or template. Meal plans or templates. All right, so these are just the 4 product types that you can choose for yourself and then create your own products. That should be number 3. Now number 3 is you creating your product. Create the product itself. Creating your product means bringing that product to life. Okay, let's choose ebook as an example. If you want to create an ebook is the easiest one. In fact, I love making ebook easily because I can just sleep and wake up and then create an ebook for my audience. Mostly when I do this, it's for freebies. Okay, so now if you want to start making money with your ebook, you need to sit down and then create it very well, make it tangible, make it valuable. Now, there are so many tools out there for you to create your own ebook. I normally use Google Documents or Canva. These are my 2 go-tos because they are so easy. After creating on my Google Documents, I'll carry it to Canva and then arrange it, design my ebook cover as well, and then send it out to my audience. So create your ebook. And the second one there is the online courses. Online courses, you can create it with your phone, with your laptop. And how you do this is you screen record your screen. Okay, you screen record your phone or your laptop. These video trainings will help your audience to really understand whatever you are telling them. Or maybe if you are a tailor, if you're a fashion designer and you want to show your audience, you want to show your customers or whoever that is watching your video, whoever that is going to be buying your courses, you want to show them the process that you use in cutting, then you can hire a videographer or hire somebody to video you as you are doing all those things so that it wouldn't be a tedious work for you. All right, so webinar as well, you need to schedule all those things. You need to have all those things in place before you go live to present your webinar and your trainings as well. Meal plans, this is easy to understand, especially those who are in the food industry or in the fitness industry. This meal plan is really, really important. And also templates. Templates are mostly for graphic designers and website designers. You can sell this and make some money for yourself. Okay, so like I said, the third one is what? Creating your product. Let's talk about the 4th one. The 4th one is packaging your product. Packaging your product to be appealing to people who are going to be needing it. Remember, people love to see beautiful things. People love to see beautiful. And first of all, I mean, even you on a normal, if you see a beautiful thing, you will love to go for that thing, right? So you need to package your product to be really fine, to be really good. Hire a good graphic designer to create a book cover for you, or even create a flyer if you are going to be doing a training or a webinar. Hire a good graphic designer to design your flyers very well, to design your ebook cover, to design anything that will be able to attract people to you. Okay, so packaging your product is one of those things. If you are able to design it and then promote it very well, people are going to be buying from you. They will like you. They will, in fact, because your packaging is really okay, because you come with a whole lot of vibe and your packaging is all right, they will join your training. Okay, so learn how to package your products really, really fine. Okay, so the 5th one is setting your pricing. You get to understand that whenever you overprice your product or whenever your price is higher than normal, people are not going to be buying from you. Nobody will join your training. But then if your pricing is fair and just normal like every other person, then they are going to be buying from you. Okay, let's say you are selling an ebook. Your ebook can be priced at 3,000 to 5,000 naira, so that it will attract people who will know that this book is attractive and they can buy from you. Okay, and also your courses. Your courses or your online training can go for 10,000 and above, depending on the value you have inside. Okay, what you don't want to do is underprice your products. You don't want to underprice it because people are going to be looking at it like it's not valuable. Okay, so you don't want to overprice, you don't want to underprice. So be on a normal level while setting your price. Okay, so the next one we have there is the sixth one, which is attracting buyers. You need to learn how to attract people to yourself. If you are just marketing, if you go to your page and start marketing, of course you'll be able to attract people to yourself. But there is something we call freebies. If you are able to build a freebie, like I told you, or that sometimes I just wake up and think about creating an ebook. That ebook can be my freebie. Okay, I just want to get people to my email list. Okay, so that those people who love my products, who love my ebook now, will be able to buy from me. I can be marketing to them from time to time, promoting my product, promoting whatever I want them to buy from time to time. Okay, so the purpose of you attracting buyers is to give them freebie, email to them, and then market that your ebook or your online courses or your training or your webinar or your meal plan, anything at all. You need to learn how to attract buyers to yourself. This can be from your website or from your Facebook, Instagram page, anywhere at all. As long as you learn as long as you learn this process, this freebie will make them to put in their email address and their username. So these two will be able to help you to get you, as you are collecting their email list, you promote to them your product. Okay, so that when you launch that product, they will be able to buy from you. Now let's talk about the last one. This is 7 steps, right? We are talking about marketing. Guys, if you know me very well, you know I love talking about marketing. So this is the last one. I'm going to be dropping my pen now. Whenever I talk about marketing, I talk it with all agility. I talk it with all boldness, because without marketing, you are not going anywhere. Any product that you are selling, anything that you are selling, be it here, be it online or offline, anything at all that you are selling, if you don't learn marketing, you're not going to sell. You are not going to be making any form of sales. Now, when I talk about digital products, how do you want to start marketing it? First of all, you already have your Facebook, you already have your Instagram, you have your WhatsApp. These are the 3 main social media accounts that you can start promoting that your product. Okay, that your digital product, you can promote it on your Facebook, on your Instagram, on your stories. And you know one thing about Facebook has given us that platform to be promoting both video, audio, and stories as well. That's why we have our stories. Okay, anything that you are doing from day in, day out, and how you are videoing yourself, how you're building those courses, build anticipation as well. Anticipation is a form of marketing. Even if you've not launched that product, as you are building it, as you are creating it, build anticipation. Make your audience to follow you up. This is a form of marketing. Okay, if you are able to build anticipation and create that avenue whereby people are going to be yearning on the day of your launch. Okay, so it's a form of marketing. And then you post on your social media, talk about things related to that your product. Like I myself, I train my participants on how to use artificial intelligence to improve in their business, to create content effectively, and also marketing and monetization. So this is the structure of AI, or this is the structure of AI Accelerator Bootcamp. And I've been able to make people understand that you'll be able to create content, make videos, market yourself, make money online. So all those things that I'm creating post on that, then those people who are following me on Facebook will be like, okay, so this is actually what this person is doing. So you need to create posts, you need to make posts so that people will understand exactly what you are doing, so that they can key in whenever you are selling anything. This is marketing. And then the last one is advertisement, promoting whatever you are selling. It is not enough to market. One thing about marketing is it can get you, that is organic marketing. But then from time to time, do what? Run Facebook ads. Run Facebook ads, Instagram ads, WhatsApp ads, any ad at all that will attract people to you and get more eyes on your digital product. Just do it. Okay? Remember our target, 100,000 naira per month. So you need to advertise to get more people to yourself. All right, so guys, this is it. We have the 7 steps on how to be able to create your digital product and then sell to people who are going to be needing it. Do not worry, here is a safe space. Here you learn everything business, finance, and then you are also welcome to my YouTube channel. And then you're welcome to my YouTube channel. If you've watched so far, thank you so much and I appreciate you. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button to become a part of this wonderful community. Guys, I will see you all in my next video.